In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you fix being charged after canceling your subscription. Let's get started. First, check whether the subscription was actually cancelled successfully. To do that, launch Settings. Click on your Apple ID, navigate to the option Subscriptions. Make sure the service says expired or shows a cancellation date instead of active. You can also manage subscription through Apple Subscriptions. If you use Android, open Google Play Store, tap your profile icon, choose Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, or visit Google Play Subscriptions. Another common reason is canceling too close to renewal date. Many services bill users 24 to 48 hours before the next billing cycle, so even after cancellation, you may still receive one final charge for the current period. Also check whether you subscribe using a different Apple ID, Google account, PayPal account, or directly through the company's website instead of the App Store. Services like Spotify, Netflix, or Adobe often handle billing separately. If the charges continue after cancellation, contact the subscription provider directly and request a billing review. You should also review your bank or card statements to confirm where the payment is coming from. That's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.